All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today, I am going to tell you about chakras. This is the fourth part of my chakra videos. Those of you who have not watched the previous parts, please watch it before this video. Now, I am going to tell you about chakra cleansing, how to get energy flowing. The chakras are located in the central channel of the energetic spine, sometimes referred to as the Sushumna. This major route of energy flow, Nadi, starts at the base of the spine and runs up to the crown of the head. I have already described what are the 7 main chakras. What does it mean if a chakra is blocked or unbalanced? Signs of blocked energy at each chakra in my previous videos. The link is in the description. When energy is stuck in a particular chakra, help get it flowing again through these tips. Let's talk about the first chakra, that is root chakra. The root chakra is associated with earth. So walking barefoot in the sand, grass or dirt can be beneficial. Any time spent in nature is helpful for this chakra. Root chakra is represented by the sound Lam, Lam. Let's talk about the second chakra, that is sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is associated with water, which means swimming or spending time by bodies of water like lakes and oceans is beneficial. The sacral chakra is represented by the sound Vam. The next is third chakra, that is solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra is associated with the element of fire. So enjoy sitting around a bonfire or soak up bright sunlight. Solar plexus chakra is represented by the sound Ram. Now come to the fourth chakra, that is heart chakra. The heart chakra is associated with air. So breathing deeply will help to clear the energy at this level. Drive with the windows open or take a boat ride. Heart chakra is represented by the sound Yam. Next is fifth chakra, that is throat chakra. The throat chakra is associated with ether, that is similar to spirit. So, sitting in an open space under a clear sky is a fabulous way to get this energy flowing appropriately. Throat chakra is represented by the sound hum. Next is sixth chakra, that is third eye chakra. The third eye chakra is associated with light. To balance and open this chakra, sit in stillness in the sunlight or relax in a window as the sun pours in. Third eye chakra is represented by the sound Om. Last one, the seventh chakra, that is crown chakra. The crown chakra is affiliated with all the elements. So, connecting with your wholeness rather than a single element is the recommended practice. Spend time in meditation, chanting or prayer. Crown chakra is represented by the sound Om or Om. A great way to clean your chakras and free your energy is to create alignment in your physical body through yoga postures, breathing practices to encourage the flow of energy, meditation to bring about clarity of mind. Spend time in meditation, chanting or prayer, yoga, pranayam. You can chant any particular chakra sound in order to balance that particular chakra. This chakra is nourished with spiritual practices. Do meditation, yoga, pranayam, chanting, prayer, whatever you want. Do it regularly. You will notice the difference. Just step forward. Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy, be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.